Simplify your payments and boost accuracy with SYSPRO's AP Group Payments. Easier, faster, and error-free.
This tutorial will include the following: posting a group payment and adding an intercompany group payment.
Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at group payments in SYSPRO. So let's get started. We're going to start by going to Accounts Payable. Then we're going to go to Payment Processing and we're going to click on AP Group Payments. We're just going to make the screen bigger. Here we're going to type in the payment run. And we're going to tap off. So we're going to accept the other defaults like the payment type as well as the bank. So we're going to come all the way to payment reference and we're going to type in the payment reference. And we're going to then tap off, and here we're going to enter the check number. And we're going to tap off again to enter the check amount. And we're going to tap all the way to the primary supplier and we're going to enter the supplier code. Okay, and now we're going to then click on manual allocation. I'm going to say okay. Okay, and we're going to leave the default company as it is. And we're just going to tap off to the supplier to pay. So let's just double click here. Okay, there we go. And here we're going to enter the supplier code 95 and we're going to tap off. So we're going to then tap all the way to the amount. Going to enter the amount. Okay, and we're going to tap off and we're going to click release invoice. And here we're going to enter the supplier invoice. So okay, 001 and tap off. Okay, perfect. And we're now going to click save. Okay, and for the rest of the 5,000, we're going to then tap off again to supplier to pay. There we go. And we're going to enter the supplier code, the next supplier code, and we're going to tap off again and we're going to enter the remaining 5,000 and we're going to tap off. We're going to click release invoice. Again, we're going to enter the supplier invoice. Okay, so another invoice. Okay, this one has to be different, so. Okay, this 1, 2, and we're going to tap off and we're going to save. Okay, we're going to close this program. As you can see, we have our invoices there and we're going to click on payment cycle and we're going to click execute payment run and we're going to say okay and we're going to start the process and we're going to say okay. Okay, and there you have your journal. And we're going to close here and we're going to close this program. And that is how you post a group payment. I hope you're finding this tutorial informative. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this tutorial. Now let's continue. So we're going to start by going to Accounts Payable. Then we're going to go to Payment Processing and we're going to click on AP Group Payments. So we're just going to make the screen bigger So on payment run, we're going to enter our payment run. Okay, so CIGP01, and we're going to tap off. So we're going to leave the defaults as they are. So payment type, we're going to leave it at manual checks, and we're going to leave the bank at FB. And we're going to come all the way to payment reference. And here we're going to enter our payment reference, GP01, tap off. We're going to then enter the check number. And we're going to tap off to the check amount, where we're going to enter our amount. Okay, perfect. And now we're going to select the primary supplier. So we're going to enter the supplier code, and we're going to tap off. We're going to click on manual allocation, and we're going to say okay. Okay, so here we're going to select EDU1, the first company, and we're going to tap off and tap off to enter the amount in supplier currency. Okay, going to tap off, and we're going to click on release invoice. Okay, so here we're going to now type in the invoice. We're going to tap off, and we're going to click save. And we're going to go to the next allocation. So this time we're going to select the second company. So we're going to select EDU2, and we're going to tap off to enter the supplier. Tap off again, we're going to enter the amount in the supplier currency. Okay, pretty good. And we're going to tap off, and we're going to click release invoice. And again, we're going to type in the invoice. I'm going to tap off. Okay, so let's scroll for an invoice instead. So we're going to select this one, and we're going to save. We're going to then close this program, and we're going to click save. We're going to say okay, and we're going to then close the program. And that is how you add an intercompany group payment. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment which videos you'd like to see next, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Please do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video.